What's up? It's your girl, the Bamboo Queen. Thank you for joining my channel and watching. If you haven't done so yet, please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification button, and hit that like button. Alright, so for this video, this is gonna be how I prep my nails. I think every person should do like a nail prep video, and this is my nail prep video for my full cover tips. So what I'm gonna do is throw in the description box below where I got these little sanding blocks on Amazon. I'm sure you can find these anywhere. I'm just gonna throw in a link where I got mine because I love these. So how I started using these is I was sitting around doing my nails, and sometimes I don't do my nails at my desk. I do them at my eating tray. So I grab up a bunch of stuff, bring it to my tray, and get started. And I did that, and I got lazy as hell. Like, I'm going to keep it 100. Didn't feel like getting up, going to get my file. So I had my little box sitting on the side that had my nail prep kits in them. So I decided to grab one of those and try them out. And baby, when I tell you it blew me back, I was like, yeah, this is actually better. Like, you have full control of this little small filing block, and the grit on it is perfect just for sanding these nails because it's made to sand a natural nail. So it's so light, and it takes just that shine off for just the amount that you need. I love these. Once I used these, I never went back to using my regular filing or buffing boards. So I'm going to do all 10 of these nails. There's no need for me to talk you through this because it's like watching paint dry, literally. I'm going to speed this part up. The shine off of the press on nails, I'm gonna take my cuticle nippers and nip off those little tabs. I see some people file them down. I like to cut mine off a little and then I smooth it out just to make sure. So that's what I'm doing here. Oh, by the way, if you're still here, there's going to be some information about a contest that I'm having. It's going to be for a custom set of nails. Even as a nail supplier, I like to get other people's nails. So whether you make nails, if you just like getting your nails done and you like watching these videos, this is an opportunity for you to win a pair of free nails. I am going to leave that information, but you have to watch all of the video. And to win, you need to follow all of the directions. So make sure you girls do that. I really appreciate you taking time out of your lives to come and watch me, little old me, because it's so many girls that do this. I don't know what it is about me that caught your attention. And I feel like, hey, if I got something to give away, rather, I don't know. I just want to do something for you guys because I want you to know that I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart coming to check out my channel. So thank you. Yeah, I'm so lame. All right, so as I mentioned, now I'm just smoothing those out. And it doesn't take much. I love these blocks. You can do so many things with them. All right, we're almost finished sanding these down. Let me move these over to the side. So now what I'm going to do is, oh, excuse me. I think I did a lady burp. Right. Yeah. These particular nails I got from a girl off of Facebook. These are extra long, full cover nails. I can provide her link to her Facebook store as well. You have to send her a message to order these, but she is such a sweetie pie. Like, we had a whole issue with my package being delivered somewhere. I guess I entered the wrong address, and me and her just ended up talking about something else, and she is like the sweetest person. So I'll leave that link where you can find these extra long nails. She's out in California, so shipping is really quick. So I'm just wiping down my mat now. I hate a dirty mat and just foul and left like a lot of residue. So I'm going to grab my 70% alcohol so I can clean the dust from these nails. Because, yeah, you won't be able to get anything to adhere to dusty nails. And this is my 70% alcohol. I'm using my lint-free wipe cloths, and I'm going to clean the residue off. Now, with my false nails, I like to add a base coat. I know some girls feel like they don't have to. I like to. I swear to you, it makes a difference. It makes a really smooth polish application. It makes a huge difference. So if you want that polish to go on smooth and pretty, like me, nah, I'm just playing. If you want that polish to go on smooth and pretty, then you need to put that base coat on, ladies. I'm telling you, it makes such a difference. When I first started, I wasn't using a base coat, and you can just tell the difference. I promise you. So I'm just wiping these down, getting them nice and clean. So for my ladies that do the press-on nails, do you use base coat, or do you think that the nail is smooth enough to just adhere paint to? I don't know, because to be honest, I have stepped up my paint game, so that could be a difference too. Because when I first started, I was using any cheapy gel polish that I could find. Oh, and I found some losers. Let me tell you, I found some losers. Okay, so now I am going to add my nails to my little post, the nail holding post, so that I can get them set up to start my actual nail painting and design. Well, these nails are going to be simple. My customer has requested all black matte extra long coffin nails. I got a lot of orders for these, so I don't know if it's for Halloween, but all of a sudden these extra long, not even extra long, just the coffin black matte nails seem to be selling. So I'm with the shit, so I appreciate all of the business. Thank you. I think I might make me a pair, because after I did this video, I actually did the video with the nails, and that black matte is hot. I gotta tell you, it's hot. I'm gonna post a picture of the finished product when I finish this video, because I don't think I'm gonna do the video, upload my video of me actually painting those nails, because I had so much going on. There was a whole lot of stopping and starting, and yeah, that's why I have to set aside like just personal time to do these videos for you guys, because yeah, I get distracted easily. Seriously. So I'm just getting these set up. I love these little things. Like, I've tried all different types of methods, and I have to say these are my favorite. I used to use that blue like sticky stuff that everybody uses, but I hated the way it looked on nails, so I used just the double-sided adhesive tape. So that is it. These nails are ready and prepped. They're ready for some fresh paint and to go off to their owner. Here is an actual picture of the nails. She ordered those extra long black matte coffin shaped nails. Yo, these nails are beautiful. I would love to wear them. I'm probably going to make me a shorter version. I just have not figured out how to maneuver in life with these extra long nails. Are you rocking these extra long nails? Do you just wear them for an occasion, or can you rock them every day? Let me know. Comment below. So here's the contest right here, girls. Follow me on YouTube and Instagram. Also, like this video and comment, and then go and find this post on my Instagram page. Like and comment there, and that will earn you a chance to win a custom set of nails. However you want them, I can do whatever you need. I got the designs, I got the images, I can do custom photos, you name it. I'm telling you, I'm gonna hook you up if you win this contest. Like I said, I really appreciate you girls, and I just want to show my love. It's mad love out here. All right, thank you so much for watching. Remember to go ahead and like, follow, and subscribe so you can get them notifications. Catch you next time.